guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying another kit from Modelones. I have used a kit from this box right here before, so we're gonna get into a new kit. So we have cat eye polygels right here, but I'm actually waiting for my cat eye magnet before I use this, so we're gonna get into a different one. I think I'm gonna go with her today. So here is the kit we are going to use. Let me just show you guys what comes in it. We first have the Modelones pamphlet here. Comes with the instructions, and here is the kit. These are all the polygels you get, beautifully placed and packaged. And underneath the polygels you get a 100 and 180 grit hand file in dual forms, which I'm not going to be using today because dual forms are just not my favorite thing to use. Seems we kind of have a little spill here. We got base coat and top coat, we got a polygel brush, and let me show you these polygels. So this kit comes with 7 different polygels, and let's just get swatching them. The first color we got is clear, next is white, the next color is apricot, next is deep nude, next is pink, pearl pink, and lastly we have soft pink. So here are all the swatches side by side, and let's get right into this nail set. So here are how my nails are looking. We have another case of vampire teeth and nails. So here's what happened. This finger broke off because the structure just wasn't the best. It was a little bit thin. This one came off because it just had a lot of lifting. And the pinky nail, sturdy, stuck on. Same with the pointer finger, stuck on really good, and the thumb is still stuck. So these nails lasted me 3 weeks on the dot. So for them to last 3 weeks, that's really good. So we're gonna take these nails off. I'm sick of looking at them. We need something new. Every day, I just need some change, you know? So I'm clipping off the nails. So I'm going to take my coarse drill bit. This drill bit is to file down the bulk of the nails. So I'm going to file down these nails as thin as I can, and I'll be right back. Now I got a bowl here with some acetone, and I'm just gonna soak my nails in there, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes. So here are how the nails are looking, not much different. And I'm just gonna take the sharp end of my cuticle pusher and see anything that might want to come up, or just kind of scrape the layers of polygel off the nails. So all of the polygel is basically mostly off. So now I'm just gonna take my sanding band again, remove any residue from the polygel that could be left on the nails. Now I'm just taking my hand file and I'm gonna smooth out the edge of the nails. Okay, now I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher and I'm just gonna push back the cuticles. I'm going to take my cuticle scissors and cut off any excess cuticle. Okay, now I'm just going to take some acetone and wipe down the nails. This is so we can get the dust or oils off of the nail plate so that when we glue on the tips can last longer. So I'm going to be using these extra long nail tips. I just have here my KDS glue, and this is what I'm going to use to glue on the nail tips. So I first started off by drilling a well into the nail tips so that they could fit on my nail bed better. Whoa. So I'm going to cut down the thumbnail right now because I cannot even do anything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to cut these nails down like, wow, yeah, like that. I want it just that. We might, you know, cut more, cut less. Okay, yeah, this is the length I like. This is nice length. I don't know how long to make the thumb. Yeah, right there is good. Just gonna taper these nails in. Take my straight edge nail clipper and taper these in. Okay, so I'm just gonna shape these tips to make them a little more straighter. Now I'm done shaping the tips, and I'm gonna take my fine grit sanding band. I'm gonna remove the shine from all the tips, and then I'm going to blend the tips in with a natural nail as well. Next, I'm taking my rubbing alcohol, and then I'm just gonna wipe off all the dust on the nails. This is gonna work as my dehydrator. Then I'm gonna take some Young Nails primer and put some primer on my nails. And then I'm gonna go in with a second layer of the primer. Now I'm gonna take some base coat, the base coat that comes in the kit. I'm just gonna paint a layer on all of the nails. Okay, base coat has been applied. I'm just going to start with the design. I have somewhat of a plan. I know what I'm doing, but I'm honestly not sure. I'm going to be recreating this set today. I'm gonna first start with the soft pink color, pretty much like white with a drop of tiny pink. Got my slip solution and the polygel brush, and I'm just gonna pat around this polygel to fit the tip of the nail. I'm doing a very thin layer of this color. Color is really pretty already. I'm glad I chose this color and not just white. This consistency of this Modelones polygel is good as always, and I am in love with this soft pink color. It is so beautiful. Sometimes it looks white, sometimes it looks pink. I mean, it is gorgeous, this color. I have not used a color that looked like this, and I'm really happy I chose this color instead of just white. How thin it is, see, barely a layer. Yeah, so this first bead is done. I'm just gonna cure that in my nail lamp. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the second bead here near the cuticle. As you guys know, Modelones Polygel, if you watch my other Modelones video where I did the milk bath nails, Modelones Polygel is my absolute favorite. The texture of the polygel is just perfect. This is my favorite consistency, and it's just so easy to mold and blend. It's just so easy to use. And what I really like is Modelones is very affordable. Like, they have affordable kits on their website. Okay, so this was looking really good, so I'm just gonna cure this, and I'm just gonna continue to do this on the rest of the nails. So what I do to smooth out the polygel is, as you saw, I placed that long bead at the tip of the nail, and then I took my polygel brush and I spread out one side of the bead to fit to the other side, and then I spread out the other half of the bead to fit to the other side, and now my whole entire nail is covered. Then what I do next is I work on smoothing out the nail, crisping up the sides, and also making sure that the polygel isn't lumpy. So I work on smoothing out the nail, then I work on fitting all the polygel to the tip. I'm gonna go in and put a cuticle bead on all of the nails. So to fit the polygel around the cuticle, I'm just thinning out the polygel that's right next to the cuticle, and I just carefully push the polygel as close to the cuticle area as I can get it. And then I obviously wipe around the cuticle to make sure none of the polygel is stuck to my skin. And then I just drag the rest of the polygel up into the rest of the nail and then blend everything together. here are how the nails are looking after the polygel has been applied. We're not done yet. I'm gonna do some encapsulating. I'm just gonna wipe off the nails because I'm actually not sure what to do next. Okay, so we are using these butterflies from Nails. I just asked you guys on Instagram which color to pick because I just am so indecisive. I don't know if I wanted the pink color or the blue color, and I first wanted the purple, but then I ruled it out. Majority says blue. So if you guys wanna help me pick my nail design, then you should head over to my Instagram and give me a follow because yeah, you guys can help me pick my nail set sometime. So I'm gonna go with the blue. So once again, I'm using this picture and we need to pack on these butterflies. So these butterflies are kind of stuck together. Can you see this? This is like a bunch of butterflies just stuck together. And then you put it on the nail and it's just a big chunk of butterfly on your nail and you're like, what? I'm just gonna take some top coat. So for the first nail, I'm just going to put top coat here where the butterflies are gonna go. And I'm just gonna pick up butterflies and place them everywhere. Then I'm just gonna take some top coat and put it in the places where there wasn't a butterfly because I want these to be really like filled in. I'm just gonna place butterflies. Right now it looks crazy, but when I file it, you know, all of this will be smoothed out and then the butterflies will be encapsulated. It should be looking correct. Next, for the middle finger, we're putting the butterflies around the cuticle area. So I'm just gonna pack some butterflies on. Now the ring finger is just the opposite of the pointer finger. Okay, so on the pinky finger, we just have a butterfly right at the tip here. And same thing on the thumb, I'm just putting a butterfly right in the middle. I'm gonna encapsulate these. This is not gonna look like a beehive. I'm gonna go ahead and take the clear polygel and encapsulate these nails. Wipe off the nails with some rubbing alcohol. I just have my hand file and my Makartt dust collector and I'm just gonna start shaping the nails. So if you guys are interested in this polygel kit, I think it is really worth it. The polygels are really nice. You get 7 different polygels. This kit basically has everything you need and it is on sale right now. So it comes with a free nail lamp. This polygel kit will actually have everything you need. It's only $40 plus a free nail lamp and then you can use my code for 15% off. I think it's a really good deal and all these colors are really nice. So if you guys are interested, check out the description. I do get a small commission, but I do definitely recommend this kit. It works really good. This nail set is turning out really good as well. Taking my safety drill bit and I'm just going around the cuticle. I'm going to seal the cuticle, so this is going to prevent lifting, and then I'm going to go over the whole nail with this drill bit to remove any of the scratches. Let's let's just take a moment to appreciate the shaping of these nails. So I think I'm done with this look. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some top coat. Top coating, I'm just going to use some Dipped and Dusted Nails cuticle oil to finish this look. And here are how the nails turned out. This is probably one of my favorite sets. The nail tips were already beautifully square and oh, so nice. The nails turned out so good. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. These nails turned out so nice. I think they're one of my new favorite sets. It's so simple, but the butterflies add that nice little pop of color. And I'm just really glad that I used the soft pink color instead of white. It still looks white, but it looks more like a soft white, and I really like that. Once again, if you guys are interested, all the information for this polygel kit will be in the description. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.